Welcome. Our objective today is to review how to multiply two polynomials using the FOIL method, the box method, and the distributive property. There are three techniques you can use for multiplying polynomials, and the best part about it is they're all the same. So what do I mean? It's all about how you write it. Here they are. One is the distributive property, then the FOIL, and the box method. Sit back, relax, but make sure you write this down, and I'm going to show you. Here we have two binomials that we're going to multiply together, 2x plus 3 and 5x plus 8. By using the distributive property, we multiply the 2x by 5x plus 8 and the 3 by 5x plus 8. As we do this, we'll get 10x squared plus 16x plus 15x plus 24. We're going to combine the like terms of 16x and 15x, and thus the final result is 10x squared plus 31x plus 24. A shortcut of the distributive property is called the FOIL method. Method is only used when you multiply two binomials. It is an acronym and tells you which terms to multiply and help you keep track. Use the FOIL method to multiply the following binomials at y plus 3 and y plus 7. F tells you to multiply the first term of each binomial, which will be what? That's right, it'll be y squared. O tells you to multiply the outer terms of each binomial, so we get y times 7. I tells you to multiply the inner terms of each binomial, so we will get 3y. L tells you to multiply the last terms of each binomial, 3 times 7, which will give us 21. Again, we combine the like terms, so we get y squared plus 10y plus 21. Remember, the FOIL reminds you to multiply the first terms, the outer term, the inner terms, and then the last term. The third method is the box method, and this method works for every problem. Here's how you do it. We're going to multiply 3x minus 5 and 5x plus 2. We're going to draw a box, write a polynomial on the top and the side of the box. It does not matter which one goes where, just keep them together. Okay, this will be modeled in the next problem along with the FOIL. So our first terms are going to be 3x times 5x, which will give us 15x squared. Our outer terms is the 3x times 2, which will give us 6x. Our inner terms is the negative 5x times 5x, is the negative 5 times 5x, which will give us negative 25x. And our last terms is negative 5 times 2 for a negative 10. So we're going to combine like terms. Notice that our like terms are diagonals of each other. So we have 6x minus 25x, which gives us, that's right, that would give us negative 19x. So our equation would be 15x squared minus 19x minus 10. So you have three techniques. Pick the one you like the best. Let's multiply this one. Okay, we have 7p minus 2 and we have 3p minus 4. The first terms are going to multiply to give us what? That's right. They're going to multiply the 7p and the 3p to give us 21p squared. Our outer terms are going to be 7p times negative 4 for negative 28p. The inner terms are going to multiply negative 2 times 3p for negative 6p. And our last terms, we're going to multiply the negative 2 times negative 4. Remember, that's going to change to a positive 8 because you have two negatives. Again, we're going to combine the like terms that are diagonal from each other. And you're going to see that we have 21p squared minus 34p plus 8 for our equation. All right, now it's your turn. Multiply these two binomials together and then pick which one is the correct answer. That's right, the correct answer was the first one. Now multiply these two together. Be careful of your A's and your B's. Pick the correct answer. That's right. Number 4 is the correct answer. All right, let's take a look at what happens when we try to multiply a binomial with a trinomial. Please remember we cannot use the FOIL method, but we can use the distributive property. Notice how we're going to multiply the 2x by the trinomial and then the -5 by the trinomial as well. Okay? Notice how long this becomes, and it's hard to see which terms are going to go together, but we will group and combine the like terms. So that way we get 2x cubed minus 10x squared minus 5x plus 8x plus 25x minus 20. By combining the x squareds and the x's together, we get 2x cubed minus 15x squared plus 33x minus 20 for our answer. Let's see what happens when we use the box. The box works well because it keeps everything orderly. Okay? So as you multiply your numbers and you put them in the box, okay, you can see that the diagonals have the same variables, and you're going to add them together for the same answer that we just got from the previous slides. All right, now it's your turn. Multiply the trinomial and the binomial together and pick the correct answer. Yes, the correct answer was number 3. All right, thank you for your participation. The end.